In the shed today, I've gone and bought a $37 spray gun from eBay. I'm going to put it to the test and see if it's any good. So this is the gun. HVLP, high volume, low pressure, traditional spray gun. It was just a generic no-name brand off eBay. Let's see what you get in the box. You're getting an exploded diagram, some tools, that's a spanner to change out the nozzles, some cleaning stuff, there's a filter there. It's a cup, a replaceable liner. Interesting, I've never used one of these systems before. This is a gravity feed gun. Here's the gun itself. Like I said, it's unbranded, it just says HVLP on it. It feels okay. So there's the gun. This must be a lid for the liner system. Like I said, I've never used that style before, so this will be interesting. And then there's some nozzles here. Okay, so that's 1.7mm tip, and then this one is 2mm, and then on the gun it's got a 1.4 fitted. Now I've never seen this before. I've never seen it where you can change out all the components of the gun to convert it from 1.4 to 1.7 to 2mm. In the past, I've just bought a gun with a 2mm nozzle on it for primers and things like that, high build putties. But they've always been like large pot suction feed guns. I've never seen a gravity fed gun used like this. But that's not to say it doesn't work. It looks fairly well built. I don't see any reason why it won't work. I've had reasonable experience with cheap guns in the past. I've also bought a couple of semi-expensive guns before and had decent experience with them. So normally what I've found is, so long as the rest of the setup is good, so you've got the right amount of air, the right air pressure, the material's clean, everything's clean. Normally I've found that you can get a good result. More so than what the quality of the gun is. Well, I'm going to be painting the inside of a bonnet that I've got over there that I've been preparing for this project car, 1976 hardtop Galant that I've been working on. So here's the test subject. This is the bonnet off the Galant. I've rubbed it back, it's in primer. I've rubbed it back with 400 grit, and then on the flats here I've finished them in 600 grit, which should work just fine, especially for the inside. Like I said, this is going to be a good test. It'll give me an opportunity to see if the gun, if it lays it out nice and flat, and then how, in particular, how it comes up on these flat surfaces here, because that'll give me a good representation of how it's going to go on the outside, on smooth sections of the car. So I'm going to go put that gun back together and get some paint in it, and we'll suit up and start shooting. Just before we start shooting, one thing I'll show is this is the compressor I'm using. It's certainly nothing fancy. It's a 3 horsepower Macmillan, which is an Australian brand. It says that the free air delivery is 348 litres per minute. So it's got heaps and heaps of spare capacity for painting. I've painted many cars with this and I've never had a problem. It's never run out of air, and normally the compressor's cycling on and off throughout the job, which is what you want. So it's not, it's never going to run low on air pressure. So I've got the gun set up with the 1.4mm tip. It all feels right. I'm not sure where the how the fan and all that's going to be set up. I'll adjust all that once I get paint in the gun. There's no minimal max on this, so I don't really know where wide fan is and where narrow fan is. Generally speaking, when I'm painting something like this, I'll have it on the widest fan possible to give maximum overlap. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be, it's just how I do it. Seems to work. I've got it set up with this cup system, so I'm going to fill it up with paint and we'll get to shooting. Okay, it's all painted up. First impressions of the gun, not bad, not bad. Took a bit of fiddling around to get the fan how I wanted it and to get the air delivery right and the volume of paint right, but once I sort of got it set up and just started laying it on, it went on fine. So the verdict is $37. You can get a good gun, just go on eBay and get after it.